In this guide, you'll learn how to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now go ahead and take a snap. Make necessary changes to your snap. Now at the right hand side, you're going to find different icon. At the very bottom, you're going to find this loop icon. Click on that. This is the timer setting. So here you're going to find different timer option from 0.10 seconds to infinity, but you'll need to select 0.10 or the 1 second. As these golden options will require premium version of Snapchat, you can set it to 1 second and send it. This way, it cannot be replayed. If it is set to loop, the other user may be able to save it. Keeping the snap to the 1 second, they won't be able to save it or replay it. And that's it. This way you can stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.